Is it time to buy or sell MicroStrategy Incorporated stock? In this video, we are diving deep into MicroStrategy Incorporated. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 30th of May, 2025, our system has classified MicroStrategy Incorporated as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.59. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 0.87%. This results in an average return of 0.43% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of nearly 48.58% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 29.62% to 80.45%. In terms of a longer perspective, our analysis over 12 months anticipates a projected change of 81.1%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 35.77% and 200.84% over the next year. In current terms, this would imply a future price between $505.45 and $1,119.94. Our latest daily update for MicroStrategy Incorporated includes the headline, Green Day on Monday for MicroStrategy Incorporated stock after gaining 0.87%. The MicroStrategy Incorporated stock price gained 0.87% on the last trading day, Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, rising from $369.06 to $372.27. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.11%, with a low of $367.02 and a high of $378.43. The price has seen ups and downs during this period, resulting in a loss of 6.89% over the last 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 4 million shares, with a total of 8 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $2.99 billion. It is important to consider that declining volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning regarding potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $543, while the lowest price was $102.40. Currently, the price stands 31.44% or $170.73 below the 52-week high of $543, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. MicroStrategy Incorporated, trading under the ticker symbol MSTR, has been making headlines recently due to significant legal and financial developments. On the 2nd of June, 2025, multiple law firms announced class action lawsuits against the company, with deadlines for potential plaintiffs to join set for the 15th of July, 2025. Investors who experience substantial losses during a specified period are encouraged to participate, signaling growing concern over possible securities violations by the firm and its executives. In another noteworthy update, MicroStrategy has revealed plans for an initial public offering, intending to sell 2.5 million shares of its series of preferred stock. The proceeds from this offering are likely aimed at supporting acquisitions, including Bitcoin, as the company has maintained a consistent strategy of cryptocurrency investment. In fact, MicroStrategy recently reported acquiring 705 Bitcoins worth $75.1 million, underscoring its ongoing commitment to expanding its digital asset portfolio. In the short term, these developments could create volatility in the stock price. The lawsuits may lead to increased selling pressure as investors react to the potential risks associated with legal liabilities. Conversely, The IPO announcement could attract investor interest, indicating growth strategies. Long-term implications will depend heavily on how effectively the company navigates the legal challenges and whether it successfully capitalizes on its Bitcoin investments to drive profitability. Investors are advised to monitor these developments closely as they weigh the potential risks against the growth opportunities presented. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, it was reported that Canaccord Genuity assigned MSTR a buy grade while maintaining a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald also assigned MSTR a hold grade with a hold action. Again on that day, Barclays gave MSTR a hold grade and a hold action. On Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, UBS assigned MSTR a buy grade along with a hold action. Earlier, on Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, BTIG gave MSTR a buy grade and a hold action. Analysts have assigned MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified from MicroStrategy Incorporated. Volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could impact the near-term development. The stock of MicroStrategy Incorporated is currently receiving sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook. In the event of upward corrections, there will be resistance at levels of $373.91 and $373.38. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 13, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 11.7%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some notable signals you may find intriguing. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal was present 14 days ago. Bollinger shows a buy signal from 4 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 9 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a sell signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 33 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 30 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 21 days ago. For additional signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for MicroStrategy Incorporated. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $308.55 and $296.86. There is a natural risk when a stock tests a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may then decline to the next support level. Specifically, MicroStrategy Incorporated finds support just below today's level at $308.55. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $296.86 and $293.61. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock moved $11.41 between its high and low, representing a change of 3.11%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 3.58%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels from MicroStrategy Incorporated, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and could signal bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative 12 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroStrategy Incorporated is at $402.69. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroStrategy Incorporated encounters its first support level at $308.55. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroStrategy Incorporated from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Patton Jared M., who bought and sold 18,250 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 15.506. In total, insiders acquired 221,137 shares and disposed of 303,488 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss established. Is MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a good buy? The stock of MicroStrategy Incorporated shows several negative signals. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that MicroStrategy Incorporated will perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. As a result, our evaluation of this stock remains negative. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 3rd of June, we expect MicroStrategy Incorporated to open higher by approximately 0.03 of a dollar, starting at $372.57. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Do not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.